Hello friends, today we are going to understand the meaning of the various components which are used in the signature. Like for instance, we know what is this, like if suppose this is my name S.R. Pal, right, and this is my signature. To make it more simple, I have just written it very distinct and very simple signature. Now here the first letter, you must be knowing this is the first initial, okay, of my name. This is my father's name, this is my mother's initial, and this rest, these two components A and L, this represents the profession part, okay, or how I occupy my time. Now this is, I feel you must have seen many videos where they have been described as such about the various components. Now today's main focus is on this letter P, which represents the mother aspect. Now when I say mother aspects, like you must be knowing, this shows how we nurture, okay, for ourselves, or our motherly nature towards ourselves. Okay, now this is okay, this is, I feel most of the people are clear. You must have read in many books, videos. Now YouTube is flooded with all this kind of thing. Now the important thing is, once you are clear about this letter, okay, how it reflects about your motherly nature towards yourself, or your caring aspects, your family, children, everything. But does that really help you to gain more clarity about your life? Because okay, merely knowing okay about your caring aspects and everything, I feel it doesn't lead us to any clarity in terms of okay, how this is helping me in my life. So my main emphasis is this letter P, or this letter which represents the initial of your mother, right, or surname. It indicates the hidden potential which is not being explored. And once we are clear about this particular aspects, how this particular aspect which is not being explored by us, if we gain more clarity about it, then I feel we can work on it, and it will help us to solve many issues. So in case if you are interested in understanding how this particular element plays a crucial role in solving your problems which are not being explored till now, then please do get in touch with me. Thank you.